Hi. Hi.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Think we're gonna get everything you own in here?
Yes.
Optimistic. Here she is.
Big wave.
Big wave, bye.
Big wave, bye.
What do you do when you're on a road trip?
Get coffee and food.
Come to a service station. Of course.
You need to hang that up to dry.
Oh, is it there?
No, it's been in the washing machine.
Oh, has it?
Yes, so much for roll.
Hello. So hi guys, and I guess welcome to Vlogmas. The start of this year's Vlogmas has been a little bit disjointed and a little bit all over the place because that's kind of how my life is right now. So I thought I would sit down today on the second day of Vlogmas, the 2nd of December, and just kind of catch you up and have a little Vlogmas intro and rundown. So as with almost every year, it seems, in the run up to Vlogmas, I'm always second guessing myself whether or not I should do it, if anyone's gonna watch it, if I'm gonna be able to vlog throughout the whole month. And it always creeps up and it gets to the 1st of December and I just get that itching in my hand to be holding a vlogging camera. So here we are. Posting schedule is going to be a little bit here, there and everywhere, I think, but I'm going to aim for 3 videos a week. So there should always be a video on Monday, definitely on Friday, and then I'm going to maybe do a Wednesday video too. So I'm hoping for 3 vlogs a week. But we're going to keep this nice and casual because that's how I like to roll, as you probably know with my upload schedule. So let me talk you through yesterday because I've just been sitting here editing and it seemed a little bit unexplained and disjointed. So I haven't really been vlogging much, for the last couple of months. There's been a lot going on, a lot of new things, some changes that are going to be coming up, which all sounds very mysterious, but it's actually not that exciting. So yesterday was a big day. It was a moving day for my, am I really gonna say this? My boyfriend Joe, who you guys maybe have met a few times. We haven't had a proper sit down and chat on camera, but I'm sure I can rope him into doing something, so you guys will probably be introduced to him sometime this month when we get a chance to vlog together. So yes, he moved to London yesterday, and obviously I was #1 helper, very efficient packer and cleaner and mover. So we had spent basically the whole week getting ready, packing up his room, organising things which invariably got left at the last minute. And yeah, so yesterday was the moving day. We packed everything up into a van and drove to London. And I am absolutely shattered. I'm so exhausted from this whole week and the whole process of moving, which wasn't even for me, but still somehow managed to completely exhaust me. So yeah, this month I should be in London a lot more than I'm used to for me, the little South Coast girl. Yeah, we'll see what happens with that. Watch this space. But I may be up there a little bit more permanently than I currently am now, but we'll talk about that later. I feel as if this has been a little bit of an unfestive start to Vlogmas. Normally I'd be putting up my tree around the 1st of December. My tree is currently in the cupboard under the stairs, which is actually right in front of me, wedged somewhere that I cannot get access to, so I'm gonna have to dig that out. I didn't put up a tree last year. I think I ended up getting a little mini one which was sent to me by Victor and Rolf, which was absolutely perfect and already pre-decorated, so I cannot thank them enough for that. So festivifying my house and myself is currently on the agenda for now. I do actually have a bauble sitting next to me. Isn't that nice? There's also a few things that I want to do this year. I have yet to go to Winter Wonderland, which I'm saddened by it because it looks like the most magical, amazing place ever. So I think we're definitely going to be heading up there sometime soon, hopefully a weekend in December. I've not even actually been to a Christmas market yet, and although it's only the 2nd of December, they've just sprung up everywhere and they've been going now for weeks and weeks. I feel like Christmas is just absolutely wild this year. It is all over the place. One thing I do have, which is actually sitting here next to me, that I have yet to open is my advent calendar. I was very, very kindly sent this by Liberty, and I have always looked very longingly and dreamingly at the Liberty advent calendar, and this one I am incredibly excited and I feel incredibly lucky to have as well. So I'm going to be opening that up in Vlogmas so you guys can see what's inside. I might, or I probably should, seeing as I'm 2 days behind, open that now. And yeah, I've got myself some dinner cooking at the moment. So that's pretty much my plans for the rest of the evening. I've had a very chilled out Sunday, which definitely involved a lion. That is, I think, all I have to update you on for now. Let's go and open up some goodies. I need to go and decide where I'm going to put this advent calendar. I could probably have put it here, but oh look, someone else's advent calendar seems to be sitting here instead. I wonder who this could be for. Oh, hi. Kind of an odd place to put this, but I think it's the only space I have for now. So I've just put it on my desk. Let's have a look inside. Is this the way it opens up? Ooh. So where is number 1? Here we go. Look at these little drawers. This is so cute. It just pops out like that. So inside here, I think these are all beauty bits. So there should be some beauty minis, maybe some bigger size stuff. But first of all, we have a Dermalogica special cleansing foam. I've never tried anything from Dermalogica before, shockingly, because I know it's such a well-loved skincare brand. That will also be so great for travel too. So I'm gonna pop you up there. So Brie, foaming gel, all skin types. Sounds good, number 1. And then number 2. Let's see what's inside number 2. This is the Instant Eye Lift Jumbo Game Changing Eye Brightener. Sounds good. Light reflecting particles, hyaluronic acid. Those are all good things. I'm not sure if this is a concealer then, or if it's somewhere in between makeup and skincare. I'm really actually quite intrigued by that. I have myself a pretty early start tomorrow, and I'm already still not recovered from the moving. I'm shooting some stuff, and I don't often shoot in London just because bringing multiple different outfits and things is usually a little bit tricky, but I'm excited to shoot somewhere new. I feel like I've actually exhausted every location that I have nearby to me, so yeah, it should be nice to have a change, something new. And I think I might also have an appointment tomorrow too, which hasn't been confirmed yet, but we'll see. If so, I will bring you along and maybe give you a little sneak peek of what I'm up to. But before that, I need to go and eat my dinner and have an early night. So I think I'm gonna wrap up day 1 of Vlogmas right here, or part 1 should I say. Hopefully the next few vlogs will be a little bit less admin-y, a little bit less montage-y, and we'll be getting up to some more stuff. So thank you guys all so much for watching this first part, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye.